Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best alternative app store to your Firestick, which you can use to download thousands of apps which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And the whole process is pretty easy. Without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get downloader from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your Firestick and start typing downloader in the search bar. And now, as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you will click on downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader, you'll have to go to the settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. After that, scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, you need to turn on developer options on your Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to move up here. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Then go to install on apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick. Here it is. We open it, and now there is downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Poland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So go straight back into a list of apps on your Firestick device, open it up, and then open downloader application. And now here, what you have to do is just open that search bar, and then we need to enter Aptoide TV. So let's enter it. You'll see the whole search request on your screen. So just follow me and enter the same request. So it's Aptoide TV. Just enter it as you see on your screen, and then click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now when the search results have loaded, what you have to find is that website. It's tv.aptoide.com. So let me zoom in a bit so you would be better able to see the link. So make sure to locate the same search result and click on that website. And now the website of Aptoide TV is going to open. So Aptoide TV is an alternative app store which you can use on your Firestick to get thousands of apps which are not available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And when the website opens, you just have to scroll down a bit until you see the huge download Aptoide TV button. Let's click on that button, and now download of Aptoide TV has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds. After that, you click on install and finally wait for Aptoide TV to finish installing on your Firestick. And after it is installed, do not click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick does not really have too much of free space available anyway. And the next step is we actually gotta go to settings one more time, so let's do it. Let's go to the settings on your Fire TV stick by clicking on that same button with the gear icon, scrolling down and going to My Fire TV. And from here again, go to Developer Options, Install on Apps, and this time you have to locate Aptoide TV and turn that option on. So you would be able to use Aptoide TV to download other apps from the internet. And now finally, we'll go to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick. So let's go to the list of applications, open it up, scroll down to the bottom, and there's the Aptoide TV application which we just installed. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Aptoide TV is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then finally open Aptoide TV on your Firestick. Here you have to click on OK, and then allow Aptoide TV to access files on your device. It's a must, because otherwise it would not be able to allow you to download files from the internet. So click on allow, and now you'll either see top applications, so the most popular apps that people are downloading via Aptoide TV. If you scroll down, you'll see new arrivals. So those are new applications which were recently added to this alternative app store. Then you see streaming apps, free games, and yeah, by the way, if you didn't know, you can actually play some games on your Firestick. And then the most important part of the app is the categories. So there are different categories of applications, such as health, events, art and design, entertainment, social media, video players, music and audio, health and fitness, sports, and so on. So you open any of those categories, and from here you just get access to hundreds of apps in each category. So if you find the app you are interested in, select that app and just follow the steps to download this app to your Firestick. And that's the easy way to get a lot of useful apps to your Firestick device. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye bye.